We're going bike riding. What's the plan then today, Alex?
We are meeting some new people. We're going on a ride and we're going to have hot chocolate and coffee.
You're going to have hot chocolate and coffee?
You're going to have coffee and I'm going to have chocolate.
Brilliant. So we're here now and I didn't see anybody. What if they don't turn up? Head up, Bob. Bubba, head up. Right then.
It's on
film. I believe so, yeah.
It's on film. Camera's on film. Well, can you say go, go, go?
Go, go, go.
Yay.
We're dropping in.
Yeah, drop in. Alright, into the forest you go. Woo! Coming! In front of you.
Go, 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 go. Keep going. Come on, Alex, you've got a whole line behind you. Line up by the log.
Let's put my seat up.
Cool, you got a dropper pose. Why aren't you using it? Oh my goodness me. Stand forwards a little bit. You kidding me? Oh, Alex. Like, they change your riding.
But
She's got a dropper pose all this time. I'm looking at her thinking. Go forwards a little bit so we're not blocking the track.
Can I go down?
So we can give it a bit of speed. That's it. That's it. Now you might want to start taking gears to that big lever. That's it, push it again. Push it again. So you might want to give it another click. Those legs are good. That's better. And you can, if you wanted to, specificate your seat a little bit and hit that dropper post. There you go. Oh, great. Really good. Oh, doesn't that feel better? Yeah. Doesn't that feel better now?
Yeah.
Downhill. Where we going uphill, up.
Well, 6 and 7 are easy, and then number 8 is hard, and number 9 is the last one. Oh, we're nearly done. Next is 7, which is easy. 8 is a bit hard, and 9. On 8, I'm going to put my seat post up. That's what it's called.
Keep away from the... Yeah, maybe line up along by the lake a bit, of course, yeah. Oh! See if we can catch Effie on your camera.
Yes.
Yeah? See if you can record her.
Easy.
That means you've got to keep up with her and be changing the gears accordingly.
Mhm.
So use those gears.
Are you okay?
Yay! We've got that on camera, yay! Good girl. Well done, Ed.
Yeah, that's good. So well done.
You know what? If you've got one in the bush on your own, it's not on a proper ride. It's not on a proper ride. I'm not in the bush, but I went out the other night. Great.
Wow, that's the end of the ride already. That's the end of the trail. That was quick.
You can go to the end, Effie, if you want to.
I want to watch this.
You want to watch? Film it on your GoPro, she's done it.
Oh.
I do the bank at the side. I just do the dirt bank at the side. Have you done that, Bambi?
Not yet, no.
It's the pressure now.
Woo!
Oh yes. Oh, yay!
No.
Good, good.
No way.
Good. No way. I don't play. I'm with you.
I feel like it's fine though. That's what's annoying.
I know. Well, it's fine. I know. And like you said, I'm not that one still managed.
Yeah, I was like, he's going for the stationary work. He only did that because we were here. He was on his own.
What's yours?
Yeah! Gonna hand getting down?
Yes.
Thank you.
Madame?
Okay. Well, can you come with me?
Use your gears lots of times on this section. Big lever, thumb it down.
Oops, that was small lever.
Come on. That's it. Pedal.
You know
when
what?
you can, pop your seat up.
Can't say that.
Other thumb and put that seat up. It will really help, Alex. Good girl. That's it. See, look at that. Much better.
Yeah, it's much better actually. Ow. Hey. Is it downhill yet?
Go.
It's downhill.
Click your other gear, the little one. That's it. Go.
Oh, that's much better. I deserve this.
That is better.
Then after that's number 9, then it's ice cream time.
Yeah.
And you're paying for everybody.
Wow, so that's loads better that was, Alex.
Small one. Oh. Whoa. Woo! I'm pressing my brakes well. Oh, that's scary. No.
Keep going, just keep going now until you get to your end.
I just want to have my ice cream and play in the park.
My dad used to say it
Over here.
absolutely. She goes to a little side.
Are you going to go for another ride?